In the question above, determine the volume of oxygen produced from the decomposition of 2 mole of KClO3 at s.t.p. given the molar volume of gas to be 22.4 dm³. So the first thing to do is to write out a balanced chemical equation showing the decomposition of KClO3. Now when KClO3 decomposes, we have potassium chloride and oxygen gas. So let's try to balance. Now we have a balanced chemical equation. So from the equation above, we can conclude that 2 mole of potassium trioxochlorate 5 will yield 3 moles of oxygen gas. So at s.t.p, given the molar volume of gas to be 22.4 dm³, what volume of oxygen will be produced from the decomposition of 2 moles of potassium trioxochlorate 5? Let's state that at s.t.p, 2 moles of potassium trioxochlorate 5 will yield 3 moles of oxygen gas. So using the formula moles equals volume over amount at s.t.p. Then from here, making volume the subject, volume equals moles times amount at s.t.p. So let's substitute the values now. We have the number of moles, which is 3, multiplied by the amount at s.t.p 22.4. Multiplying it, we have 67.2 and the unit dm³, which should be serving as our final answer. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the answer to be 67.2 dm³. Do well to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.